Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'll be explaining how to access your site builder, how to log into it, how to build a simple site, and how to publish it. In my previous video, I discussed how to place an order, but today we'll be talking about how to work with the site builder. And so let's get started. The first thing we'll do is to access the website whogohost.com. And from here, we would access my account. This is where we would log in with the email address and password that we used to register on whogohost.com. So log in. Now, assuming that I've paid for this service, and so the service is now active, and on the client area you can see that I have 2 hosting and services and 1 domain. And you can see here the services. You can see the shared hosting that I ordered yesterday and the site builder, and I can click by access the site builder, and then to access the website, click on edit site. Now this would load the onboarding page where I can see different themes I can choose from. So you can see that there are different categories you can choose from. The featured category, online store, business, and several others, and personal, depending on the kind of site I want to build. That will determine the category I'll choose from. But for this video, we will use featured. Featured simply lists some of the most popular themes I can choose from. And here we go. So I would choose the typo designs theme. So just click on choose. So from here, here's the site builder, and this is the main area of the site builder, and these are the list of widgets that I would use in building my website. So I'll get started. Now this is the area where the banners of a website usually is, and I'll choose an image, and I would add this image. Now from here, this is where you notice on sites that there's a banner image that you can use that draws attention, and so I'll choose a very good image. You can see that I've chosen the image. Now I drag the image into position and save. And so I would like to add a section below this banner image. So I would go to the widgets area and choose section and drag down. Now you can see that I let where the section will be dropped, and I drop it. I have different options to choose from. I choose featured. These are the different featured options, and I just select the first one. I can always change this at any time. And so this fills it up with demo content. I click on save, and I can edit this content just by clicking. So I can click this, select all the text there, and just type something, offering. And you can see I can change any of these images. I can change any of the text just by clicking on it, and I can just replace the message there. And so right on the banner, let me add some text. So I've dragged the text widget, the title widget. Let's just type something, live and be free. Yes, and I'll drag a button also, a call to action. And I can edit the text on the button. Start now. And I can change several things in the button, but let me just change just the link. I want the button to link to Whogohost, so I'll just type https www.whogohost.com, and I can really make other changes if I want to. and you can see that there are other pages on the site. I can actually click on each of the pages to edit them. I can add additional pages from the pages page, but I think I have enough information now to publish the site, so let us publish the site. So the site is publishing. Now the site has been published, so I can now access my main site, and this also means that anybody can view this website right now. simplybuildit.tutorials.com.ng, and you can see what I just built is actually live, and this is just a matter of say 5 seconds or less. I already have a beautiful site. Now I can always upgrade this to a higher package if I want. I'm currently on the starter package. Yes, I can also edit this text because I'm using the starter package. I can also do several other things on the site. If I click on the settings link, you would see that I can edit several options. I can change the site title. Let me try something else. My design. I can change the favor icon of the site. I can set a site password if I want the site to have a password. I can really do several things here, and I can also unpublish the site if I don't want it to be public anymore. I can add SEO content. I can also add Google Analytics to the site, and several options really. I can add members to the site if I want people to log in to access certain pages of the site. I can also add apps to my site. I'll talk a bit about that in another video. And I can really continue building my site from here. But let me edit the text here. So I can change that to copyright. Simply Build It tutorials. And save the footer. And once I make a change, I can publish it and my site goes live. And that's about it. Thank you so much, folks, for your time. Bye-bye.